That's Polish Central up there.
Do you know what? I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe how often I got the blue one.
There's a lot of soldiers.
Yeah. What is it?
A hell of a lot of soldiers.
Keenan, what is it?
Touching the gesture from Princess Anne when her mother's coffin was taken into St Giles Cathedral. You talk about separating the person from the monarch, but Princess Anne and the deep curtsy that she performed as her mother was carried into,
Yes, it was over there.
into the cathedral.
Tony's parading about right at the front. Aye.
That house is taken off in it.
Huh?
That house is taken off in it.
Oh well, he's got it then.
Has he got it?
I think that's what
I can see it. It's a bit obvious, isn't it?
The Princess Royal, as we've heard, I mean, she
No.
had her love of Scotland.
No.
I thought it was a hand getting in there. I'm impressed with your lens. Go and give us one of your best poses. No, I didn't do that. It's not about the kit anyway. We're impressed. What size of lens is that?
It's got a 600.
F2.8 or something?
F4. It's got the 2 times extender on it, so it's 1200.
Ow.
So back to our 490, we see the dark side of the moon and that.
Yeah.
Fair play, by the way, the park that here's in a decent position.
Aye.
Yeah, got stick with it.
That's I'm just filming it and then when it's filmed I can zoom in again and go through it. I will make it not shave it. Go through the water.
I'm really bad with them, mate. I just think that was a
well, the
sweet
wife
one.
ended up coming up with that hives though.
Aye.
Under
They
trousers
get
as
everywhere.
well.
They get everywhere.
She was
I'd be staying for a lifting shot at the C17 at 6 o'clock
I
then.
had a mesh fishing bag over my head, tied round the neck, zipped and tied, and I could shoot out the wee mesh bit at the side, just to keep the midges away.
Aye, it's 6 o'clock.
Terrible.
I thought it was busier on Sunday, but it was mobbed, aye.
You reckon that's 7 o'clock? That's doing it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. That's the plan is to get to Norfolk for 7 o'clock. So we'll in our flight comfortably then.
Yeah.
It's got to leave here at 7.
It's got to leave here 6 times. By the time all your 5-10 minutes of taxi to get down the runway, well, there will be no.
There's nothing here.
There's nothing here. They've stopped everything.
Every flight's been held. I don't know how to do it.
He's never coming out, Charlie, is he? photo of the everybody behind it. It's behind the pier.
Behind the pier.
Yeah, you can see some grey.
Oh, okay.
That's the setting C17.
So did they load all the vehicles in there?
Must have been.
All of them.
I don't know, I couldn't see. You get a good photo of that then, Glenn? God bless the Queen. Yeah, it was definitely. Definitely, God bless the Queen now.